Welcome to this R tutorial class. In this today's online session, we will cover installation of R, how to install R software step by step. Now, the first and foremost thing is before installing R, you require to install Java first. Okay, so now suppose you don't have Java, or you have Java or you don't know, then please check it out in your C drive programming language. Java folder is there or not. If Java under Java folder JDK is there or JR is there, it means Java is already installed. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. But if your Java is not installed, in that case you require to install Java first. Okay, so how to install Java? Through this Oracle website. All the websites link from where you require to install softwares that will be given in the description list. Okay, so please check it out my description through which you will get all the details. Now here, if Java is not there, you can download Java. If you are having 64 window, then based on that window installer you require to install, or if you are having Linux platform, then you can use Linux installer also. So this way you can install Java. It's a very easy task to install. Just one click and you will install your JDK. Now I am already having JDK, so there is not a problem for me. So Java is already there. So now I require to go to install what? If my R. Now for R software, you require to install two softwares. One is R console, that is R window file, and then after R exe you require to download, and then after R studio exe you require to download. So R console and R studio, these are the two software you require to download. Okay, and first of all, the R console will give you environment where you can execute all the commands like command prompt, and R Studio will give you IDE, interactive development environment, or you can say graphical interface, so that you can work easily. So we will work in R Studio only, but R Studio will take all the R packages from this R software. Okay, so now what you require to do is you require to download both, but you require to install this R first and then R Studio. Okay, so this is what the installation of R, and after that you require to install R Studio also. Now we will see this in detail. Okay, how we can do this. So I am already having this two files. I have already downloaded this two. One is R console file, and this is our studio file. So first we will download this two software, and then just click on this exe file, which is for our console. It may take some time. Yes. Okay, set the language. Okay, English. This is your terms and condition. Then after, in which folder you want to store this R software, you want to change this in D drive. If you want to store, then you require to change the path. I will keep this C drive only. So next. Okay, and then after, select component. We will select all the components. Specify yes or no. For what? Do you want to customize this or not? No, we don't want to customize. Whatever the setup is given default, that we will keep. So we will select as it is, accept default, and next. And then after, select start menu folder. So in start menu folder it will come as R only. Okay, so this way we will install R console. My operating system is Windows 11 64-bit, and here I am installing R 4.3.1 for Windows 11. Okay, Once you complete with the installation, then click on this finish button, and then after go for R Studio. Just double click on the exe file and you will get the installation um, dialog box. Yes, welcome to the R Studio setup. Next, yes, I will store this in C drive only. Next, install all the default one, and this is the installation. This will take few time. If you want to see details, what are the files executed behind this, then you can see this also. Okay, once you complete this installation process, then click on this finish button. Okay, so now we have successfully installed R console and R studio both, and we have not installed Java because I am already having Java in my C drive. Now go for R studio. Okay, open this R. Now this is R. The machine use your machine's default 64-bit version of R. Yes, my window is also 64-bit, so it will automatically take this. Click on OK. R Studio, yes. This is the IDE, Interactive Development Environment. Here you can see this. This is my workspace. This is the environment. If you want to check the history, whatever the command or whatever the activity you have done in the past, that you can check over here. These are the connections for data type, for the data source. And if you want to check the tutorial, then you can check the tutorial also, and you can learn RStudio yourself. So these are the tabs available over here. Here we are having console, R console, which is also available with the R console software also. Okay, now in this console you can create new .r script file also, and here you can write your program, and then you run your script to solve the particular problem. Okay, so this is the again a workspace we are having here. If you want to execute your problem command by command, and if you want to write the group of statement, then you can create the file with the .r extension. All the R script file is having .r extension. Okay, so this is what the IDE we are having with our software. Okay, now the first thing what we will do is, here you can say this. Okay, after installing and after being familiar with the R environment, this is what the R console. If you will open the R console file, then it will look like this, where we are having only command prompt for the command execution, but in R Studio we are having both. Okay, now here if you want to set current file directory, then there are three functions available: get working directory, set working directory, and you can list down or check the directory file. Okay, what are all files I am having in the particular directory. So first of all, what you require to do is, in your R software you require to check the working directory. So get working directory. Here you can see this, the command is also available. Get the working directory. My working directory, C user admin document. This is my working directory. Okay, if I want to check from here, then go to working directory and set as working directory. Go to working directory. So I'm already in the working directory, and my working directory is what? C user admin documents. This is my working directory. Now I want to set working directory. Okay, so here also I can set working directory. Working directory में आप गए, ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है, इसको सेट करना है वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी। तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, यू रिक्वायर टू चेंज द पाथ, क्रिएट अ न्यू फोल्डर, ठीक है। माय फोल्डर नेम इज टेम्प, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल टेम्प इज माय फोल्डर। नाउ I am currently in the temp and I want to set this temp as my working directory. So set as working directory. Clear? So now I have set this temp. You can check the command prompt also. Command prompt has already given one command, set wd up to temp. Okay. So now if I want to check again my working directory, then get working directory, C user admin document temp. This is my working directory. Clear? So this way you can set your working directory and then your environment is ready for work. Okay, so now from next video onwards we will start working on our that particular hands-on sessions will give you idea how you can use data types, how can you load data, and how can you use different data source for your problem statement. So thank you everyone.